Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make smoked pepper catfish. So watch as I make it. In here I have my red bell pepper, some tomatoes, sweet pepper and hot chili. I'm going to go ahead to blend it, and after that I'll go ahead to arrange my well cleaned catfish on my oven rack. So to see how I cleaned my catfish, guys, you can visit my previous video where I made the dried catfish. So guys, after I'm done arranging my catfish on my oven rack, I'll go ahead to sprinkle some salt on it, and after that I will place it in my already preheat oven and allow it to dry. And for this recipe, you don't need to dry your catfish for too long. So 1 hour later, I'm going to go ahead to take out my smoked catfish from my oven, and after that I'll set it aside, then proceed to prepare my pepper sauce. Here I have my vegetable oil preheat. I'll go ahead to add in my chopped onion, then stir fry it for 5 minutes. After that I'll go ahead to add in my blended pepper mix. I'm going to continue frying this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So 10 minutes later, I'll go ahead to add in some mixed dry seasoning herbs, some salt, stock cube and also some fish seasoning. I'm going to stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead to introduce my well smoked catfish. After adding in my catfish, I'm going to use my spatula to stir it and make sure I mix both the pepper and the catfish together. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this my amazing channel, please do me a favor by subscribing after watching this video, and also like and share this video. If you have any suggestion, you can drop it in the comment section. So after I'm done mixing, I'm going to serve my catfish. You can enjoy this dish with white rice or even white yam. So thanks for watching guys. Bye.